We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2006 Harley-Davidson Road King in black cherry. This is a beautiful motorcycle. Starting in the front, we have these nice white wall tires. We also have chromed spoke wheels and dual disc braking. We have engine guards on the front and rear, rider floorboards, and all of the chrome on this engine is just beautiful. We have the leather Harley-Davidson saddlebags and the saddlebag guards going all the way around. We also have an aftermarket exhaust. We have a heel toe shifter, really comfortable Avon grips, nice tall windshield, and the Harley-Davidson leather bag. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.